Greetings, FlixFanatics and Shade community. Today we will be covering how to privately utilize your FLIX tokens. Shade protocol has some incredible trading and yield opportunities for FLIX token holders. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the simple steps to get you started in private DeFi. We will start with creating a viewing key on the swap page. To view your encrypted balances, you will need secret SCRT for gas. If you see a view balance button next to your available tokens, then you will need to create a private viewing key. Click View Balance, confirm the wallet pop-up, and click Approve. Now let's get to bridging your tokens from FLIX over to Secret Network using the Shade Bridge feature on the Shade Protocol app. When using the Shade Bridge interface, your tokens will automatically be wrapped into their private equivalent upon being bridged into the Secret Network. First, you will need to connect your Web3 wallets such as MetaMask, Leap, or Kepler. Then select the bridge from the OmniFlix chain to the Secret Network chain and choose FLIX as your asset. Choose how much you want to send, click Bridge, and approve the bridging transaction in your wallet. This may take a few minutes to complete. Congratulations, you have successfully bridged OmniFlix to Secret and have FLIX with encrypted balances. You can view your FLIX under the portfolio page, where it shows your balance, token price, and value. Now you can swap your private FLIX using Shade Protocol's 100% front-running resistant DEX. For this example, we will swap Secret for FLIX. First, navigate to the swap page. Select to swap from Secret to FLIX. Then, enter the amount of Secret you would like to swap. In the transaction summary below the swapping menu, you can see the minimum amount received from the swap, expected price impact, trade and gas fees, as well as the swap route being used. Click Swap and approve the transaction. Then, you will see a swap success pop-up. You have now successfully swapped Secret for FLIX and can now use that to privately earn yield by providing liquidity. Once you navigate to the pools page, you can enter the FLIX USDC Noble Pool. In the search bar, begin typing FLIX. The FLIX USDC Noble Pool appeared. If needed, create a viewing key. Click View Balance, confirm the transaction, and approve. Click on the pool for the pool breakdown and liquidity provider options. Users have the ability to provide both assets for liquidity or provide single-sided liquidity, which swaps your tokens on the back end and provides liquidity for both tokens at the LP ratio post-swap, which could result in a loss or gain of funds due to price impact. For this example, we'll choose to provide both sides of liquidity. Once you enter in the amount of tokens to enter in the pool, click Provide. You will get a pop-up asking to mint LP shares and stake or LP shares. If you choose to mint LP shares and stake, then you are staking your LP tokens, which allows you to external LP rewards. Under My Staking, you can see the stake pool shares and the rewards you have as claimable. To redeem these rewards, click Claim, then Claim again, and approve the transaction. It's important to note that there is no lockup period for staked LP tokens, and users have access to instant unbonding at all times. If you would like to unstake your shares from a pool, you can do so by toggling Unstake under Step 2 Stake and Earn. Enter the amount of shares to unstake and click Unstake. Then you choose to split LP shares and exit pool or get LP shares. Click Approve and you will get an Unstake Success pop-up. To send your private FLIX tokens back to OmniFlix, you can do this on the Bridge page. First, select Secret Network in the From dropdown and OmniFlix in the To dropdown. Choose FLIX as your asset. Enter the amount to bridge and click Bridge. Then approve the transaction. Once it finishes sending, you will get a Transfer Success pop-up. If you have made it to the end of this tutorial, we would like to say, welcome to Shade. It's your money, your data, your decisions. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.